Welcome to Botsurfer. You can add lead elements in the conversation scenarios and track responses from your users. Afterwards, you can download the collected answers in the Export Leads section. First, you need to implement a lead element to some sequence in a conversation. Lead elements cannot be standalone and always have to be a part of another sequence created with some other element. We are using a combination of text elements where we offer newsletter subscriptions for our users. Then we are placing the lead element in this sequence, and also we need to add another element that will be triggered after the user leaves lead in the conversation. You can test your leads collection and then look at the Export Leads dashboard for increasing the number of leads and last interaction with lead elements. Here you can generate Excel files with collected leads or delete collected data.